guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my IMATS Day 3 makeup tutorial. For IMATS Day 3, I really wanted to use the white liner Space Panda because I was telling people about how great it is and no one was believing me, I guess. So I was like, wear it on the last day and everyone's going to be like, oh my god, it looks amazing. And they were, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, we sold out of Space Panda as well, and I'm like, it's because I'm wearing it. Just kidding. I also wanted to use a lot of different shadows than I used the previous day, so I went with the green eyes, and I did use scrunchie in my brows as well, which I didn't show you during the tutorial. I think that's about it from me. I just want to say I did have so much fun at IMATS. Again, thank you to SUVA Beauty for having me. Thank you to whoever came up to me and took a picture with me. I love you guys. Also, I did feature a bunch of pictures that we took together in my first video, so I'll leave that up here in a card above. Alright, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So for my base, I'm using the KVD Lemmy Lip liner, and I'm placing this in a halo type shape on my lid. I haven't set my lid yet, it's just concealer down. That'll make it easier to blend out. I'm using a dual fiber blending brush to do this and just blending out the edges. Once I have it blended out, I'm gonna touch it up with some powder. Touch it up. I don't know what I'm saying. Now I'm going in with Got Milk from the Cupcakes and Monsters palette. And I'm kind of just going over the brow bone area so there's a base there. Now I'm taking Sugar Diet eyeshadow on a larger fluffy blending brush and going over the crease and transition area. Then I am taking Clover Club eyeshadow on a Sigma E36 brush. It's just like the MAC 217. And I am placing that in the outer third and inner third of my eye and bringing that into the crease. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to cut the middle of my crease and onto my lid. I'm using the Sugar Pill Lip Brush. I really like this brush to cut my crease. Then I take the dual fiber blending brush I used in the very beginning and I just kind of go over the edges. Now I'm taking Tropic eyeshadow from SUVA and I'm going to pack this onto the center of my lid. Then I'm going to take SUVA Emerald City shadow on a smaller brush and go over the edges of Tropic, just so that it goes from Tropic, Emerald City to Clover Club. You know what I mean? So it transitions really smoothly. Then I'm taking SUVA Beauty's Space Panda Hydra liner. These are a cake liner that are activated with water. So, of course, adding my liquid in, mixing it up, and then drawing it on my eye. I'm using the SUVA 620 brush for this. As you can see how pigmented the white liner goes on. I just started in the outer V, I guess, area of my lid, and then I'm going to work it up and then thicken it up throughout. This did take me a while, only because I'm such a perfectionist, and to go over eyeshadow where you can't really touch up the liner afterwards with concealer, I really take my time doing this.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for you.
Once I finally have my liner done, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Lemmy lip liner again. It is the green. Of course, I do not use these on my lips. These lip liners are strictly for my eyes. You don't want to cross-contaminate them. Placing that in my waterline and along my lower lash line in the outer and inner corners. And then I'm taking Clover Club and kind of smoking them out. And then I'm going to take my brush with Sugar Diet on it and go over the whole area just so it's nice and smoked out. Now I'm taking more of Tropic eyeshadow and adding that to the center. And I'm actually going to use this in my waterline as well. And then adding a little bit of Got Milk to the inner corner of my eye. Popped on my Sweetheart Lashes Kylie lashes, and this is the finished eye look. Also, I'm going to throw these lashes out now because they have been worn way too many times. Alright, so this is the finished look. On my lips, I went in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lovecraft. I got this the day before, so I was like, why not wear it? It looks cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.